As automation reshapes our world, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports an increasing force of 14,600 robotics technicians in the U.S., a sign that they will be integral to the future of technology. What is a robotics technician? A robotics technician plays a crucial role in the operation, maintenance, and innovation of robotic systems. They are the problem solvers who install, maintain, troubleshoot, and repair robotic equipment, merging their knowledge of mechanics, electronics, and computer programming to ensure seamless automation across various sectors. Job outlook for robotics technicians. The demand for these skilled professionals is on the rise as automation becomes vital across sectors. With 88% of companies planning to expand their robotics capabilities, the prospects for robotics technicians look promising. The average salary for a robotics technician in the United States is $62,329. Industries robotics technicians work in. Robotics technicians bridge the gap between theoretical principles and real-world applications across a myriad of industries. In the manufacturing sector, they ensure robotic arms perform tasks with unparalleled accuracy. These tasks range from welding with precise cycle times to assembly, guided by kinematics for efficient path planning and payload management. In healthcare, technicians optimize robots for surgical precision, utilizing inverse kinematics for intricate movements and sensors for feedback. Rehabilitation robotics, supported by servo motors for smooth operation and human-machine interface for intuitive control, further underscore the technician's role in patient recovery. Agriculture sees a revolution with drones and robots for crop management, where technicians implement programmable logic controllers (PLC) and robot operating systems ROS for aerial surveys and ground-level care. These technologies enable precise farming, optimizing resources and yields. From logistics, where cobots collaborative robots streamline warehousing operations with collision avoidance systems, to entertainment, where animatronics enchant audiences, robotics technicians ensure each system operates within optimal parameters. Across factories, hospitals, farms, and beyond, robotics technicians apply their knowledge of sensors, degrees of freedom, and kinematics to solve complex challenges. Their work in programming, maintenance, and troubleshooting, supported by a deep understanding of robotics integrator principles, enhances productivity and safety, and also drives innovation, shaping the future of our automated world. A day in the life of a robotics technician. A robotics technician's day is a dive into the heart of automation, blending technical skill with innovation. The day might start with programming robotic arms using a teach pendant, implementing precise movements dictated by complex path planning algorithms in a manufacturing setting. This task requires a deep understanding of the robot's forward and inverse kinematics to ensure each motion is perfectly calibrated for tasks such as welding or assembly. As the day unfolds, attention may shift to updating robotic systems with the latest firmware, enhancing their operational capabilities. This could involve integrating advanced collision avoidance algorithms to improve safety or refining servo motor controls for smoother operation. Each update is meticulously tested to ensure compliance with industry safety standards, such as conducting e-stop emergency stop tests or verifying sensor accuracy for fault diagnostics. The culmination of a day for a robotics technician shows their versatility and expertise. From leveraging advanced software to enhance robot functionality to ensuring the safety and efficiency of automated systems, their work is indispensable in keeping the wheels of industry turning. It's a role defined by constant learning, problem solving, and an unwavering commitment to innovation. Education pathways to become a robotics technician. Your path to becoming a robotics technician can begin with Unmuddle. Its network of community colleges offer foundational vocational training, where students gain first-hand experience with the basics of robotics technology. For those seeking flexible learning options, platforms like Unmuddle bridge the gap, providing access to a range of courses designed to meet the evolving demands of the robotics field. Starting with Intro to Mechatronics, learners are introduced to the core principles that drive robotics, from electrical circuits and mechanical systems to computer programming. This course lays the groundwork for understanding how these elements converge to create automated solutions. For those ready to deepen their expertise, Mechatronics for Equipment Maintenance Level iVirtual Lab offers an immersive experience. Through virtual labs, students tackle advanced topics and complex scenarios, preparing them for the challenges of modern robotics maintenance and repair. Once you finish your course, Unmuddle connects you with national employers seeking skilled technicians. You'll also be able to utilize the Skills to Jobs guide to help you through the interview process and quickly find a well-paying and rewarding job in the industry. Are you a good fit to be a robotics technician?
Curiosity, a knack for problem solving, and a passion for technology mark the ideal robotics technician. If you're drawn to innovation and possess a strong foundation in science and mathematics, this career offers a fulfilling path at the forefront of technological advancement. Ready to be part of this robotic revolution? Unmuddle offers courses that pave your path to becoming a robotics technician. Embark on a future-proof career that is at the forefront of technological advancement. Start your journey as a robotics technician with Unmuddle. Visit unmuddle.com today.